Hello guys, today I'm making the chicken curry without tomato. I have 4 leg piece and 4 thigh. I show you which ingredient I'm using. I have a 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon butter chicken masala, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon kasturi methi, 1 tablespoon of garlic and 1 tablespoon of ginger, 2 very fine chopped onion and 1 cup of yogurt and coriander little. I'm just going to marinate the chicken for like 10 minutes only. I'm taking the half teaspoon of salt. I'm mixing the chili powder, kasturi methi. I have to throw the kasturi methi. I have to put the ginger. I have to put the garlic, and now I'm going to mix up this one. You have to make cut like this, 2-3 cuts on the leg and 2-3 cuts on the thigh. Now I'm going to start gas on high heat. Then I'm going to add 3 spoon of desi ghee. Let it heat up. I'm going to add the cumin seed. Just stir cumin seed. It's get brown now. I'm going to put the 2 chopped onion. I have to stir to about it's like brown. I'm just stirring, and I think so it takes me 7 minutes to fry this onion. I'm going to stir a little bit to let it get brown. I'm going to add salt now. See the color of the onion. It already 4 minutes, so it is a little bit brown. I'm going to put little bit butter, like only 1 spoon. It takes 3 more minutes to cook this onion. It has been 7 minutes now. The onion is brown. I'm going to add the chicken. I'm going to add my chicken, and then whatever is the masala on the pan, I have to put this one, everything inside. Then I have to stir my chicken with the onion. Now I have to fry this chicken on the medium heat. And I'm going to put 1 spoon of water again, little bit. I'm going to put little bit more water, and I'm going to cover for 5 minutes. It's only 3 minutes. I just want to check if chicken is not burned on the pan. So I'm going to stir this again. Yes, it is okay. So I'm going to cover it again for 3 more minutes. It has been 6 minutes for the cover the chicken. Now I have to check my chicken. For the next process, I have to do without the cover. It at least like 7 minutes more. Just 7 minutes. You have to just only stir this chicken. Then the onion and everything is mixed up with the chicken. It has been 7 minutes. See my chicken. Now I'm going to add some masalas. Turmeric powder, chili powder, cumin powder, garam masala, and coriander powder, and the butter chicken masala. And I'm going to add 4 green chili without cutting like that, because its flavor very good. And stir. I'm just going to cover for only 2 more minutes. Now it's already 3 minutes. See my chicken. I have to check my chicken. Now I'm going to add the yogurt. I'm just adding a little bit water. I have to stir properly with the yogurt now. I'm going to add the cilantro. Now I have to cover for 10 minutes again. It has been 10 minutes now. I'm going to check my chicken. It's almost ready. Just I only keep for 1 minute more. I think so this chicken is not done properly. I have to leave it for 5 minutes more. So I have to put a little bit more water. I have to cover for 5 more minutes. It's already 5 minutes, so I'm going to check my chicken now. Yeah, it's done now. If you want less gravy, so then you can put for 5 minutes, like open like that. I think so we put open like that for 5 minutes more. I have a little bit extra gravy, so let it put for 5 minutes. It's already 5 minutes now. Check, my chicken is ready and it is trying to close the gas. I'm just going to put in my dish now. I'm going to put little bit cilantro.